What's up, YouTubers? This is Dirk coming at you today with a Toro Recycler push mower video. I know you can't see the bottom of it, but I got an extra blade off of Amazon, and full disclosure, I have not started this lawnmower in probably 2.5, 3 years. You can see all the cobwebs on it. I'm about to show you where the oil is. On this particular mower, the process for changing the oil is taking out the dipstick, tilting the mower on its side, dumping it all out, and putting it back. There is no drain plug. The only thing I can't find is a new air filter online. I can't find this shape, but it is in horrible condition, as you can see. So just to get it going, I'm gonna leave it off. But first thing I'm gonna do is try to clean this up, put in some gas, some oil, drain the oil that's in there, and then just see if it'll crank up. I take my trusty brake cleaner and clean it up, see what we can't do. Okay, we're gonna test the, I'm gonna check the oil dipstick. Sorry for the angle here. I know I moved it, but surprisingly, there's actually oil on it. It's not horrible looking. Wow, that is filled all the way up to the top. I would not have expected that. Says it never needs an oil change. You know what? Let's just put some gas in it and see if it starts. What the heck? No need for the oil. I know you don't run any kind of small engine without a filter. I'm just gonna put the cap back on because this is really healthy. I think it's my carburetor is clearly gonna be clogged. So I'm just gonna have to find a replacement for this online somewhere. I searched the crap out of the internet, still nothing. So for the time being, I'm just gonna put this on to prevent any large objects from getting sucked into the carburetor, and we'll go from there. Okay. It's good to see that's bone dry because I don't want to have any old gas that I'm mixing with the new gas. All right. I do want to show you the blade on this. That's the self-propelled system for the front wheel drive. So I usually like to link in the description where I found these materials, but all I'm going to be able to do, yeah, Hopefully take a quick screenshot of that. I'll put a link in the description for this. I just don't remember when I got this. This has literally been sitting on this mower for like a year. It's a Copperhead blade, meant to fit a Toro 22-inch recycler blade. You can see these little fins here meant to help recycle the grass. And if you could see, a little hard to tell until I put my finger back behind there, you can see how chewed up these old sections are. This blade sucks. So let's get it off. Pay close attention to the direction of the blade. And there is a washer with the bolt. Keep this pretty rusted, but oh well. That goes on top. We're gonna take, obviously no, and that's a yes. Let's put that back. Okay. This belt right here is for the self-propelled function. Tighten it up. There is a torque spec online. I'll reference it, but I don't care. I'm just going to torque it down tight. That was probably 45 to 60 worth. So just a quick note, when you fill up your gas can, even though it's tight, it's gonna run right out of the top and make a big old puddle. So yeah, that's my bad. I wasn't really thinking about that, but it's okay. Probably a half a cup came out. So just be aware of that. Maybe drain it before you lift it up. All right, I have not attempted to start this in, well, we've been here 5 years. I want to say 2.5, it might even be like 4 years. So we're about to put this guaranteed to start logo sticker on the mower here to about to put that to the test.
Taking a break.
Oh, that was close. It always helps to have your spark plug cap on. Okay, the spark plug is on. Boy, I would have been there for days. Okay, now that the spark plug is connected, let's try it. So, obviously, quick lessons learned. Drain your gas tank, make sure there's oil, flip it over, change the blade, bring it back, fill up the gas tank, connect the spark plug. That's amazing. That spark plug's probably, we bought that mower when we lived in Texas. Oh my gosh, that thing must be at least 6 or 7 years old, if not 8 or 9. So credit to whatever that spark plug is. But I'm gonna adjust the wheels and mow this little section here, so when we have our big John Deere riding lawnmower, it doesn't just throw grass all against the house. and there's nothing else that needs to be mown. So plus I can get my boys out here. I have 4 boys and I can let them mow. So good luck, everybody. Peace.